Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now look at to the question 53, page 285. Find an equation of a curve in which the gradient is x, y plus 1 over x squared minus 1 and the curve passes through negative 3, 1. So since it is given gradient is x, y plus 1 over x squared minus 1, so the gradient means that is the dy over dx. So dy over dx equal to x y plus 1 over x squared minus 1. And then we have to separate the variable dy over y plus 1 then is equal to x over x squared minus 1 dx. Integrate both sides. So by integrating both sides, so on the left hand side you will get ln y plus 1 by using substitution method for the x over x squared minus 1 dx. So we let our u is equivalent to x squared minus 1, therefore du is equal to 2x dx. 1 over 2 du is equivalent to x dx over 2. So 1 over u du, integrate, you will get 1 over 2 ln u, so is equivalent to 1 over 2 ln x squared minus 1. 1 over 2 ln x squared minus 1 and then plus c. 1 over 2, so you can move here, so what you will get is 2 ln y plus 1 is equivalent to ln x squared minus 1 plus c. And then we can put that 2 up here by using properties. Ln y plus 1 squared is equivalent to ln x squared minus 1 plus c. Ln y plus 1 squared minus with the ln x squared minus 1 is equal to c. Then for this part you can apply properties. Ln y plus 1 squared over x squared minus 1 then equivalent to c. Y plus 1 squared over x squared minus 1 is equivalent to e power of c. So we can let our e power of c as a. So both are constant. So just to make it simple, that's why we just put as a. Since you are given your x is equivalent to negative 3 and your y is equivalent to 1, substitute here. So what you will get is y plus 1 squared over x squared minus 1 is actually equivalent to a, since we already let your e power of c just now is equivalent to a. So our aim now is to find out your constant a. What is the values of your constant a? Therefore your y is 1 plus 1 squared over negative 3 squared minus 1 is equivalent to a. Therefore, a is equivalent to 1 over 2. Y plus 1 squared over x squared minus 1 is equivalent to 1 over 2. So, y plus 1 squared is equal to 1 over 2 x squared minus 1. So, this is your equation of a curve which the gradient is x, y plus 1 over x squared minus 1 and it passes through point negative 3, 1.